Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in the beautiful hills of Darjeeling, home to one of India's most iconic treasures, the toy trains. Our first stop today is the Darjeeling Station, and this place is a window into history. Famous for toy trains that have been running since the 1800s. Built during the British colonial era, Darjeeling Station was part of the summer getaway for British officials, and the station became a key hub for tourists and tea traders alike. And today, tourists can hop on a 2-hour joyride from Darjeeling Station to Goom Station. There are two types of joy rides here, the diesel and the steam engines. The diesel joy ride is priced at 1000 for a round trip and the steam joy ride is priced at 1500. I'm staying at a backpackers hostel called Tara Circle. It is pretty affordable and it should cost you anywhere between 800 to 2000 per day. And the best part is you get beautiful views of Mount Kanchenjunga range from there. Right now we are at the Dali Monastery, just a short ride from Darjeeling. I took a shared cab from Darjeeling Station. Shared cabs are one of the common means of commute here in Darjeeling, and they are quite frequent and affordable. See those colorful Tibetan prayer flags fluttering in the wind? Each color represents an element. Blue for sky, white represents air, red for fire, green for water, and yellow for the earth. Another thing that stands out is the intricate murals on the walls. In Tibetan culture, dragons are powerful symbols of strength, protection, and wisdom. You will see them carved into walls and painted in vibrant colors, guarding the temple and the people who visit. It is said that these dragons also represent the ability to control the elements, which ties in beautifully with the meaning of the prayer flags you see fluttering all around. There is also a museum inside Dali Monastery offering a deeper insight into Tibetan Buddhism and its history. Unfortunately, photo and videography aren't allowed inside, so if you are here, don't forget to check that out as well. That's it for today's journey. I hope you enjoyed exploring these places with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.